Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Simply Draws. Here I will be showing you who doesn't know how to draw. Hopefully you aren't legible at drawing at all. Like you play like Pictionary and you're trying to throw up like a stop sign and someone gets it confused with a lollipop. They're like, yo, you drawing a lollipop? Like, it's a stop sign, it says stop on it. Like you're at that level. Like you're like, a couple lines trying to make a legible drawing. It's not happening. It's not happening. Goddamn. Lucky for you, I'm going to teach you, hopefully, how to not be incredible at drawing, but just legible. We're going to get started. We're going to draw a dog today. Little puppers. What type of dog is this? Kind of basing it a little bit off a Labrador, I guess. I mean, try to draw some different dogs in the future. Anyway, let's hop right into this. Ass dog, okay? So let's draw a little head, like a line, the legs off the lines. We go up. We draw the little head, ears. That might be a dog. That might not be a dog. Might be a cat with long ears. I don't know. Let's make it more of a dog, okay? So next, let's draw that same shape. And this time, we're going to expand on it a little bit, okay? So you'll notice when you draw the chest of a dog, you kind of draw like a little bit of like an upside down triangle. It's like kind of like, oh my god. You know what? Like this. Kind of like that. Yeah, see what I mean? So you're going to be drawing like the back and then down and do the chest and up through the chest to the groin area. It kind of looks like a little bit of like an upside down weird triangle. And off that, you can kind of like base the rest of your drawing. So you'll draw that. Draw a little extension up for the head. And then, pop some legs down, pop some thighs down, pop a tail up. Just like so. Kind of, you can always slow down this drawing. Video speed. Slow down the video speed. And check what you're doing. Okay, so we kind of drew like a little half-assed cartoon dog there. Second round. This isn't realistic, by the way. Alright, so we're going to start again with our kind of like upside down triangle with round curves type thing. I don't really know what to call that. You can draw a little circle for the leg. By the way, drawing shapes, draw over top of your lines. Just be messy with it. You'll see why after. We're going to ink over it so that it won't be like super messy at the end. But, you just want to goof around. You want to draw a legible gosh darn dog here. Alright, so we got this puppers. And now we're going to draw the little head there, right? So drawing a little sideways oval, right kind of like offshoot of the neck, Just watch the video. You'll see how to do it, okay? And then, this isn't going to be a happy dog. Its tail's down. The other dog was pretty happy. You can draw a tail up. Maybe you want an static dog. I didn't want to for this last one. All right, I just told him to go in the kennel, and he's like, bro, I don't want to. I'm sad. Well, whatever. Okay, so gave him like some floppy ears. Smiley face, obviously. Remember, like a dog, like it's up to its legs, like the chest, it goes upwards, right? It kind of like forms the end of the triangle. And then we tail up. Know what I mean? I don't know how useful this is going to be, but here we go. All right. So now we got the legs going on. The back legs, the hind legs always come out a bit, like almost to the tip of the ass, and then they go back in, right? And the head again, sideways oval. I mean, you can like come to a point at the snout if you want, and then come back. I kind of made his face a little bit wider at the end. Maybe we'll get more in depth on this in another video. Get better at drawing a dog, or draw you a different dog, diggity dog. I don't know. Okay, so here we're inking, okay? I'm going over my lines, so I'm going over my nice lines, and you can always erase your pencil lines underneath. Just take a pen and just go over your nice lines, right? Make it more legible. We're all about legibility here, all right? We want to look okay. And then I'm just gonna go trace over the head here, throw the ear, and I think I'm gonna go with just like a little, a happy little smiley face dog and a little upside down U. Actually, yeah, it's an upside down U for a, one of these. Happy eyes. Check mark. Job well done. Congratulations. If you followed this step by step or tried to, maybe you've almost or kind of have drawn a dog. And I mean, try more and more and more and more and more and more, and you will maybe draw a dog one day. All right. Well, thank you. Namaste. Ya nasty. Subscribe. Check y'all in the next video.